What's up YouTube? I'm in the middle of trying to renovate this bathroom, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily refinish your vent. So if you don't want to buy a brand new one and it just looks discolored, it's not cracked or anything, but you just want to upgrade the color, all you have to do is just climb up on a little ladder like this here, and I'll show you how these work. Most of them have like a little clip. Let me pivot this thing to the side. So what you want to do is, usually this thing is nice and flush on the ceiling. You just want to pull one side down and pull it down one at a time until you have enough gap in there to where you can get your fingers around it and then pull it all the way down. But basically it just has this clip right here. You just squeeze these two together to release it, and whenever you want to put it back on, you just put it in this little groove right here, you pinch it and you stick it inside there just like that, and then you just slide it back up just like this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this whole thing off, and we are going to clean it off and refinish it. And we're going to be using this stuff right here with Rust-Oleum paint and primer in one, and it's a high gloss, so it'll bond to plastic, wood, metal, and more. Alright, so we're ready to paint now. I already brushed off all the debris off of here, wiped it down after I used some fine grit sandpaper to get off any kind of excess residue. The fine grit sanding will also help with the paint to adhere to the surface. So this is what it looks like here. I'm just using an old paint can to put this thing on top of it after I spray paint it so it can dry. But I'm just going to put 2 coats of this stuff here, and this is the before, and I'll show you the after. As with any spray painting project, you want to make sure that you shake up the can vigorously before you start your project, and then whenever you apply the spray paint on there, you want to do some nice light even coats, and don't rush it because you don't want to have any excess dribble. So make sure that you also shake up the can in between breaks so that you have some nice even flow. And I waited about 30 minutes in between each coat, so I did 1 coat, then I waited about 30 minutes and then applied the next coat. So it says dry to touch in about 20 minutes, and it's ready to handle in an hour, and it's fully dry in 24 hours. So that's why I like this Rust-Oleum paint. It's fast drying, and it's made for indoors and outdoors. And I have it out here sitting, getting ready to dry out. It's been about 2 hours now, and it's nice and dry, and it looks really nice. It doesn't have that tainted yellow aged look to it. It looks brand new now, and it actually matches the rest of the color scheme inside the bathroom. So I've got this white trim right here, white trim along the baseboard and the framing on the mirror there and the cabinet. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.